We view these events as the fields of opportunities to exchange ideas of teaching and also enhance our teaching practices. Before we dive into our lesson today, it's important to understand students and its environment, such as classroom and school. Next, I will pass the floor to Ms. Farida Tongshim to present the school content.
At Chiang University Demonstration School, we face a serious problem, PM 2.5 pollution from urban burning, which release carbon into the air and affect our health. As part of Chiang University, we teach sustainability and carbon neutrality. Our grade 9 students are active learners who enjoy science and can communicate well in English. They have already learned about global issues such as climate change, and they are ready to connect their knowledge to real-life situations. Today, in Shaping Mind for a Carbon Neutral Future lesson, students will learn how small actions affect our world and how small changes can help create a cleaner and more sustainable future. Thank you.
That's the end of the preparation time.
So if you're ready to begin the teaching session, please raise the green flag.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, guys.
Hello. Wow. How are you today, guys? Oh, good. Excellent. Today, you are with us, three wonderful teachers. I'm Teacher Sky.
I'm Teacher Fana.
And I'm Teacher Tuta.
And today, we are going to learn how we shape our mind to make carbon neutral.
Before we start our class, I'm going to divide you into three groups. Group A, Group B, and Group C. We are going to learn through activity. And I want you to collect the coin, because this coin we will exchange into a precious gift later.
So, are you ready to start? I didn't quite hear that. Are you ready? Say yes. Yes. Good job. So let's begin with this checklist. I want you to flip over your paper. Flip over. Yes, in this checklist, you will see that there are many activities, right? Did you do these activities in the morning? Group C, may I ask, did you do these activities in this morning?
Yes,
What did you do?
take a shower.
Take a shower. Me too. I did take a shower too. Group B, Group A, did you take a shower this morning? Of course, right? We have to clean ourselves. Next, we are going to watch a short video. So please pay close attention to what's happening, and these activities in your checklist may be appear in the video. Also, you have to notice the impacts of your human activities in the second part of it. Are you ready to watch? During watching, if you see tick or shake in your checklist, help each other, guys. If ready, let's watch together. All right, after watching the video, I have two main questions for you. The first one, what human activities did you see in this video? Which group got more than 3? Raise your hand. Wow, how many do you got? 4. What about this group? 2. What about this group? 5. Can you share to the class? What are they?
Cooking food, take a shower, using a phone, using a laptop, turning on an air conditioner.
Wow, 5 activities. Did you get the same answer? I think it's quite similar. So see the answer. That's correct. But actually, there are 6 activities, such as transportation, taking a shower, using a phone. So 1 point for Group A. Very good. And the next question, what are the impacts of human activities? Which group would like to answer? Group B, please.
Dead coral,
Dead
dead
coral?
coral, and global warming, wildfires, ice melting. Yeah.
Wow, you got 4 impacts. Let's see. They are correct. 1 coin for Group B. Ice melting, dry ground, dead coral, these happens from global warming. After we explore activities in the video, next we are going to explore through daily routine check. In this survey, we have 6 topics of activities. Let's go through some of them together. The first one, transportation. Group A, can you share how did you get this place?
Motorcycle.
By a motorcycle. Interesting. Group B, can you share what kind of meat do you mostly eat?
Pork.
Pork, right? Group C, can you share what AC temperature do you usually set?
B.
27, right? 27 says or above. All right, after we explore some of your daily activities, do you think our daily behaviors lead to global warming and why? 1 coin for this question. Which group? Feel free to raise your hand. Oh, Group A. I quite hear that you got like, so can you please share to the class?
Okay. I think it's of course because when they do something, they have impact to another one. Like example, we turn off the light and we don't use it, so it's waste to energy.
That's good. Our actions can lead to something, can leave something, right? Like turn on the light. If you turn on and you don't use it, it's useless, right? That's good. 1 coin for Group A. Let's move to the first activity. Does it leave something behind? Each of you will get 2 flags, a red flag and a blue flag per 1 person. You are going to show your flag to answer my question. Does this activity leave something behind? Yes or no? From the screen, what color is for yes? What color? Red color is for yes, right? And what color is for no? Blue color. I will show you a picture and then you answer me by showing your flag. You have to say it out loud too. If you say yes, show your red flag and say yes. Repeat after me. Yes. Yes. And if your answer is no, show your blue flag and say no. No. Well done. You know how to answer me. So let's start with this picture. Hanging clothes. I will count in 3, 2, 1. Show your flag. Oh, there are many answers. So can I hear why you think no?
Because
Oh, you said no too, right? Do you have any reason behind? It's a guessing. Okay, so let's see the answer. The answer is no, correct. And next, having beef. 3, 2, 1, show. Group B, you think no, right? Why do you think no? And one of your members also said yes, right? Are there any reasons?
I think because every time we cook a meal, they have like a pollution from like carbon from like make a meal, I guess.
Wow. So when we cook beef, we leave or release smoke from cooking, right? The answer is yes. As your friend mentioned from Group B, right? When we cook food, we release smoke. And having beef also leaves smoke from car and power plant, and also a gas. But how? Let's see. Beef mainly comes from farming. In farming, we need transportation like cars or trucks to deliver food, and cars release smoke. Also, we need electricity to run the farm, and most of them come from a power plant. In many power plants in the world, they burn fuels like coal or gas to produce it. It releases smoke too. But the most important part happens inside the cow's body. When cows digest food, this process produces methane. And when cows burp, the methane will be released outside into the air. From these two pictures, smoke from cars and a power plant, what gas is released? Is it oxygen? What is it?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, yes, it releases carbon dioxide and also carbon monoxide, right? What about the cows? Methane, very good. And from these three formulas, can you notice what they have the same? There is C in all of them. And what does the C stand for? It stands for carbon, very good. That means some of our daily behaviors release carbon, right? Next, I want you to answer my question. Does this activity emit a lot of carbon? Yes or no? The first one, hanging on an air conditioner. 3, 2, 1, show. All red. Let's see. That's correct. Good job. Because we produce electricity to use air, right? And the last one, having dinner. 3, 2, 1, show. Red too. Yes, as I mentioned, it releases methane. After we know that we release carbon, where do you think carbon goes? Any answers? Let's guess.
Goes to the air.
It goes into the air. Very good. 1 coin for Group B. And what can we do with the carbon we release? Want to guess? No right or wrong. It's a guessing time. Oh, Group C. Or Group B too. Okay.
Plant the trees like that.
In the trees, carbon may, or planting trees, okay, sorry, my bad. So we can plant trees to deal with the carbon, right? Let's find out the answer through the next activity.
Through the next activity called Activity 2, Eat or Out, we will find out where does carbon go and what can we do with the carbon we release. After you already sent your flag to the teachers, I want you to take a look at the board. You will be given these 10 models, and I want you to group it into two sides, carbon absorption side and carbon emission side, within 30 seconds. How much time do you have, guys? 30 seconds. You have to group it into two sides. Are you ready? Okay, now teacher may give student models. If you're ready, pour it out, pour it out. Yes, excellent. Pour it out. Yeah, if you're ready, we're going to start right now. Everybody, are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, ready, go. 30 seconds.
Well done. Well done, right? Very good. Well done.
Wow, 15 seconds left. If you finish, say finish. Group A, you finished, right? Good job. Group B, finish? Yes, let's wait for the group C. Group C, have you finished? Yes, if you finish, let's check the answer together. Don't worry if you get it wrong. You can redo it. If you put these 5 things together, you are correct. But which side do you put these 5 things in? Carbon absorption or carbon emission? Carbon absorption or emission? Carbon emission, that's right. All right, everyone did a great job. And yes, for sure, if you put these 5 natural resources together, you are correct. Where do you put these 5 things in? Pardon? Carbon absorption, excellent. Still no coin. But I want you to take a look at these 5 natural resources. And I want you to remove it. Bring it out, bring it out. Carbon absorption, carbon absorption. Bring the carbon absorption out. Right, excellent. And I want you to replace it with the trees. Yes, excellent. Stick it, stick it. You can help each other, right? All right, have you finished, guys? Finished, guys? If you finish, say finish. Very good. Excellent. Have you finished? Yes, so have you finished? Maybe? Not yet? All right, let's wait for Group C. It's okay. Yeah, all right. Let's take a look at our carbon cycle, right? If we take a look at carbon emission, these things is what we do every day, and it releases carbon into the air. However, if we take a look at carbon absorption side, these 5 natural resources bring the carbon back, and it releases carbon dioxide back to our world, right? And what I let you done is to replace it with 5 trees to make it simpler. So now, how many trees do you have? 5 trees. We have 5 for the carbon emission and 5 for the carbon absorption. How? Is it equal, everyone? 5 and 5, is it equal, everyone? Equal, right? But what if, I want you to take a look at the board. If 1 tree can absorb 20 kilogram carbon dioxide equivalent per year, how many trees do we need for the car? If the car release 160, 1 coin. Pardon? 8, 1 coin for Group A. Excellent, good job. Next, we have air conditioner. It released 120. How many trees do we need? 6? Okay, Group A and Group C get the coin. Excellent. Now, yay, you get the coin. Now, I want you to find the total number of the carbon absorption and the carbon emission. You will be given this worksheet, and I want you to work together and find the total number. How much of the carbon absorption, how much of the carbon emission within 30 seconds. Are you ready, everyone? Yes, ready? Go. If you finish, you can say finish. Five, four, 3, 2, 1. If you finish, say finish. Group A, you finish again. Excellent. Group B, have you finished? All right. Group C? All right. Have you finished? Not yet. It's okay.
Finished.
Finished? Now, let's check the answer together. Who wants to tell me how much of the carbon absorption side? 1 coin. How much of the carbon absorption side? 1 coin. Pardon? 100. Yes, that's right. 1 coin for Group A. What about carbon emission side? How much of it? Pardon?
480.
480. Excellent. 1 more coin. So now one last question. How many trees do we need for the 480 kilogram carbon dioxide?
24 trees.
24 trees? Yes, that's right. All right, everyone, you did a great job. Clap your hand for yourself. Next, I want you to take a look at this scale. Guys, is it equal or not? Is equal or not? No, it's neutral or unneutral?
Excellent.
Unneutral, right? So do you think what will happen if this carbon cycle is unneutral? We will find out from the next activity. I want you to bring out your phone because it's searching time. Yeah, you have to search this question within 1 minute. What would happen to the world if the carbon cycle is unneutral? Who can get me right? You get 1 point. You can take. If you finish, say finish.
Finish,
You
right?
finish, say finish.
Could be finished.
Could be finished. All right, guys. Let's listen to the answer from Group B.
If the global carbon cycle become unnatural, it means more carbon is entering the atmosphere and oceans than is being absorbed by natural things like forests and soils, creating an accumulation of carbon dioxide and maintain the current lipid and ongoing imbalance driven by human activity is creating an increasingly inhospitable world. Thank you.
All right. All right. Let's check the answer together. When there is too much carbon in the atmosphere, it will trap the heat from the sunlight, and that heat will increase the world temperature, and it leads to global warming, climate change, ice melting. So now we know the effects of unneutral of the carbon cycle, right? So do we need to make it happen? Climate change? No, right? So our main goal is to make it neutral. One last question. How can we make it neutral? How can we make this scale neutral? I suggest you 2 ways. One way is to increase the carbon absorption. But how? Who can tell me how to increase carbon absorption? Pardon? Plant more tree, 1 con, excellent. Another way is to decrease the carbon absorption. How? Group A, Group B, Group C.
Use public transportation.
Yes, excellent. For now, when we increase the carbon absorption and decrease the carbon emission, now we reach the carbon neutrality. But according to what your friend have said, right? What if we can't really stop our daily routine? I want to use my own motorbike, my own private car, right? How can I do? I suggest you to shift from the most release to the less release. For example, instead of driving car, I use motorcycle instead, right? But what if we don't know the exact number of each activity? How can I know the choice I can choose? We are going to find out from the next activity.
Yes, the next activity is activity 4, my carbon in daily routine. In this website, in this one, I would like you guys to bring up your phone because we're gonna do it on website. And here is a website look like. And this website, I'm gonna show you the exactly number that carbon that you release, okay? And this website was created by us, 3 wonderful teachers. Here's the outline for this website. The first one, you already did it, is about asking the ready routine check. And these followings, gentle reminder for you, please do together with me, okay? Okay? Very good. And here is a QR code for get into the website. You can scan here or here. And let me know that you can get into the website or not. And let me see. You can do it with your friends here. Okay. Okay, let's get into the website. Here is a website. You can click the start and then don't forget to write down your nickname, for example, teacher 1. And then you have to choose the group that you are group 1, A, B, or C. Okay. And then we have 5 categories here. You have to choose one activity that matched. You think this is mine. For example, transportation, I choose private car. And then, or meals, maybe chicken here. And you finish, you scroll down your phone and click the submit survey to be on this page. Class survey result. Are you click? Actually, in each activity is, do you think is the most and common in your daily life? Okay. Are you on this page, students? Oh, not yet. If you finish, you can click the submit survey. Yeah. You can click submit survey here. Okay, I hope you got on this page. For class survey result, it shows about which activity in each category is the most popular in this classroom. For example, transportation is private car, like this. And it's next, it's time for you to show the exact number by click carbon values. You can scroll down your phone and click carbon values here. Yes. This, I'm going to show you about the number of each activity. For example, transportation, the private car is the most released carbon here. And other categories too. Okay. And then you scroll down your phone again to see the total carbon footprint or carbon that you released today. And don't forget to submit again to finalize it. You can scroll down and click to submit to finalize it. Very good. And here, for example, for me, I released 6,375. Let me ask you, who got more than 3,000? Raise your hand. More than 3,000. More than 3,000? How about 5,000? More than 5,000? 7,000? Or who hit 10,000? No one hit 10,000. Can I ask you, what's your name?
My name is Ben.
Ben, how much carbon did you release?
8,195.
Oh, 8,195. Interesting number. And do you know that these numbers have a recommend or limit per day and per person? This is the number. Its number around 6,849 per person per day. Let's compare this number to you. Is over the limit or under the limit? And next, I'm going to show you the impact if everyone have over the limit. You can click Global Impact Stimulator here to see the images of overwhelming relating carbon. See, the world temperature here will increase around 1.56 degrees Celsius in 2070, next 50 years. And oh, you might think it's just a tiny number. What would happen to the world? I'm going to show you that the world temperature will be increased 40 degrees Celsius every day. You guys, is this hot? Do you think it's hot? It's quite hot, right? And when you scroll down your phone, you're going to see these 3 images is going to show when the temperature rising 1 degree Celsius to 6 degrees Celsius. Can I ask, do you still live there? If like the world temperature rising until 5 or 6 degrees Celsius, do you think human can live there?
Yes.
Someone say no, right?
No.
Yeah. And you may think that if I ask you, if you have a second chance to redesign your daily behavior to save the world, Who want to change it? Raise your hand. Do you want to change it to save the world? You want me? You want this, right? Okay. Let's do this one to save our world by click redesign routine here. You video on this page, My Carbon Changed. These pages gonna show you about our original or old carbon footprint that you release, and then you have to think and decide which category can save our world. And this number for green one will be lower or decrease, and then we're gonna shift to reduce the carbon. And don't forget that everyone have real life conditions. You have to concern those conditions too. We cannot change all of categories. You can change one or two, that's fine. Depends on your real life conditions. And who that finished, you can click to submit change it when you scroll down your phone. Everyone finished? Finished, say finished. Someone finished, right? Finish. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Here, I'm just gonna show you the impact of it too. These numbers is a carbon that we have to reduce is equal 1 year for tree that absorb the carbon, okay? And I'm gonna show you next. For the class overview, before we redesign, we have just only 2 people here that under the limit. But after that, we have 9 people that under the limit, which means that our number already help our world. Everyone did a great job. Clap your hand for yourself. Yes. And here is our images. The world temperature is decreasing. The sky will be more beautiful, or the nature would be lively. Just only tiny or small step that we change it. Okay? I think it's time for you guys to submit and finalize summary here. When it's got on your phone and click to submit it. This is your friend's answers. On this page, it's also about showing about our teamwork to help or make the earth to be more lively and more sustainable for younger generations. In these activities, almost the end. Clap your hand for yourself again for Save the World. Okay, the last one, we have the bottom say exit ticket here. You can use this pattern to answer these questions. How can we keep carbon neutrality in your daily life? By answering this question. I will shift from old habit to new habit because it gives you around 30 seconds to finish it. Yes. For the reason you can write only short word or a sentence, that's fine. If you finish, you can submit. We have the first students that submit our exit ticket. Jar Jar, right? Jar Jar. Where's Jar Jar? Raise your hand, please. Okay, let's share to your friends about exit ticket. Yeah, share to your friend. I will shift from old habit to new habit and because.
will save off from pay mobile phone to read book because no carbon.
Oh, you mean that you will shift from mobile phone and to reading a books because it's no carbon. Very good, an excellent decision. Anyone can still answer and submit this exit ticket to sharing authors. Ben, Nettie, very good. Okay, I think it's time to have one more last questions.
All right, after you know that you should change your habits to make our world carbon neutral, how can you encourage others to keep carbon neutrality?
Anyone to answer? How can you encourage others to keep carbon neutrality?
Now you know that you have to change your behaviors, and how would you tell other people to do what you do?
I think I make video, TikTok video for share neutrality and keep low carbon for people in online.
That's a great answer, right? To create TikTok video to let other people to know carbon
Yes.
neutrality.
That's great answers here. And before we end this classroom, can I ask Group A, how many coins did you get? How many coins?
5.
5 coins? How about Group B, how many coins did you get? 3. And how about Group C, how many coins did you get?
3.
3, also 3. Okay, and today winner or highest receiving coin is Group A. Very good. And for Group A, before we left this classroom, we have a bag of seed here. You can bring it to your home and you can plant it, watch them grow to see how it changes. Because we believe that changing habits is important, but another big step is planting the tree.
Exactly. And please remember that before we change the world, we have to change our mind first.
Because what you do, guys, can make a difference. And you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. It's not just for me or for you. This is for us. And yes, this is for our world. I hope you enjoy our class. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
to
you.
the team Chiang Mai University for engaging and creative teaching demonstration. The time used by Team Chiu is 36.35 seconds.
Yeah, so for the Chiang Mai University team, we can learn that our daily behavior can lead to the global warming. Yeah, from our human behaviors. So we can observe that team from the Chiang Mai University give the student the green coins
Yes,
too.
green coins. And for the green coin, they can change with the seed. And the
Yeah,
student
that's right.
can,
And we
plant the tree.
yeah, that's right. And we know like what would happen to the world if the carbon cycle is non-neutral. Yeah, so they taught the student that if the cycle is non-neutral, what would happen to our world? And then they just provide us to the website.
Which is a really clear and obvious website, and to show that really great
yeah.
example to see. Yes.
Yeah, that's right. And they taught the student that shift some behavior choose some behavior to make our world better because
Yes.
the number of the people that do the better thing will save and will help our world too.
Yes, and our student is seem like to understanding that say that we'll shift from ride a motorcycle into
Yeah,
the
that's
bicycle.
right.
This mean that mean that they are have an understanding from this lesson.
Yeah, basically